we're going to do water balloon experiment. First, take this balloon filled with air molecules. Then show it on the screen. Oh my god. You know why it popped? Because the air molecules are moving freely. And they're moving freely because they're freely packed. So, when all the air molecules are heated, the balloon starts to burst. Next, we're going to do with the water balloon. See, the water balloon is filled with water. You see, it's not bursting. You see, it's not bursting. You know why? Because the water has blocked the air. Because the water is heating up and going to the top. If all the water molecules are heated, it began to burst.